Hi everyone, welcome back. In this video, we're going to design all buttons using code. Okay, you can see here we need two icons for Facebook and Google buttons. So let's open assets file, then drag our icon into this file. We attach the icons in this lecture, so you can go ahead and download it. All right, the first thing we need to do is we need to set the title for the Facebook button by calling setTitle method of the button. Name it Sign In with Facebook. State is normal. Buttons have 5 states that define their appearance. When you add a button to your interface, it is in the default state initially, which means the button is enabled and the user is not interacting with it. All right. The background is going to be the blue color. Right. Let's see. Okay, very good. Next, we'll set the corner radius of it. To apply corner radius to UI view in general, simply call corner radius on the layer property of the view. Give it a value, then call clipped to bound on the button. Set it to true so that the button to be clipped is to the rounded corners. Fantastic. Let's continue by adding the icon to the button. To change UI button image, we call setImage method. And we need to provide a UI image, which is our icon. We can easily create an instance of the UI image with the image name. All right, and we'll use content mode property to specify what we want to scale the image. Okay, the icon now appears beside the title, but it looks ugly. Let's go ahead and fix it. First of all, we need to change the tint color. Change it to the white color. Looks better. And we want the image to be smaller. By using image edge insets, we can resize and reposition the effective drawing rectangle for the button image. We can specify a different value for each of the 4 insets. A positive value shrinks or insets that edge, moving it closer to the center of the button. All right, very good. We now can do the same for the Google and create an account button. Don't forget to change the color, title, and the icon of the button. Okay. All right. We want to align the 2 icons vertically, so let's change the image edge inset of Google button a bit. Very good. Finally, we customize the Create an Account button. Copy over the 1. Make the appropriate change of the button. Run the app and see. Fantastic.